rabbit. Wow. See for yourself.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit, wait, please.
He went this way. No, that way. Okay. I'll like to say hello. Goodbye.
This is curious. I wonder if the rabbit came in here.
This way. I'm not sure where I am.
It's late. Don't go, please.
But way. He went this way.
We dare not stop. Always good luck. So let the make this done. The horse is ready. And ready to
His Imperial Highness, the Queen of Hearts, and the King.
Shall we play croquet?
And Rule 42, the Queen always wins.
Hello, Matterhorn. It's just like a very slow version of a wild mouse. Oh, there we go.
And it was an unbirthday.